Ever wondered how the internet, a tool you use every day, could be on the verge of a revolutionary change? As we embark on this journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the evolution of the internet. It's been a fascinating ride from the early days of Web 1.0 to the current era of Web 2.0, and now we're standing on the precipice of yet another monumental shift, the dawn of Web 3.0. In the beginning, the internet was a simple, static tool. This was the era of Web 1.0, where web pages were read-only and user interaction was minimal. Think about how you would browse a digital encyclopedia, absorbing information but not being able to contribute or alter the content. That was the internet of the late 90s and early 2000s. However, the internet was destined for more. As technology advanced, so did our online world. We transitioned into Web 2.0, the era of social media, blogs, and interactive websites. Suddenly, the internet was no longer a one-way street. It became a bustling, dynamic hub of user-generated content. We went from passive observers to active participants, contributing to the vast ocean of digital content. Now, imagine an internet that's even more interconnected, intelligent, and intuitive. An online world that understands you, anticipates your needs, and interacts with you in a much more organic and personal way. This is the promise of Web 3.0. It's not just about consuming or creating content anymore. It's about a seamless and personalized online experience, driven by artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms. But what exactly is Web 3.0 and how could it transform our online world? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of Web 3.0, exploring its potential to revolutionize the internet as we know it. From enhanced personalization to increased data security, and even the potential for a truly decentralized web, we're on the brink of a new digital era. So, let's explore this brave new world and see what the future might hold. Web 3.0, often referred to as the Semantic Web, promises a smarter, more connected internet. Let's delve into the world of Web 3.0. This new generation of the internet is all about making online experiences more intuitive and personalized. It's like your internet experience is tailored to you like a bespoke suit. But how does it achieve this? The primary features of Web 3.0 are artificial intelligence, semantic webs, three-dimensional graphics, and enhanced connectivity. Let's unpack each of these. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like the brain of Web 3.0. It'll analyze your online behavior, understand your preferences, and provide you with content that is most relevant to you. Imagine a web that knows you're a vegan and automatically filters out any non-vegan recipes when you search for dinner inspirations. Next up, the Semantic Web. This is the language of Web 3.0. It allows data to be shared and reused across applications, enterprises, and communities. In simple terms, it's like a web that understands and responds to your requests in a more human-like way. Then we have three-dimensional graphics. This isn't just about making things look cooler. It's about creating a more immersive internet experience. Think about exploring a virtual shopping mall or attending a live concert, all from the comfort of your home. And finally, enhanced connectivity. Web 3.0 is not just about connecting people with the internet. It's about connecting people with people and machines with machines. It's a web that encourages collaboration, sharing, and interaction on a whole new level. These features combine promise an internet that's more intuitive and personalized. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your needs, anticipates your requests, and is always a step ahead. Web 3.0 is not just a new version of the internet. It's a revolution in how we interact with the digital world. It's the dawn of a smarter, more connected internet. So how does Web 3.0 compare to the current version of the internet, Web 2.0? Web 2.0 brought us a more interactive internet, but Web 3.0 promises even more. Web 2.0 revolutionized the way we use the internet. It ushered in an era of user-generated content, social media, and interactive web applications. But as we stand on the cusp of another internet revolution, let's take a moment to contrast Web 2.0 with the upcoming Web 3.0. Web 2.0 was all about collaboration and interactivity. It transformed the internet into a global platform for information sharing and collaboration. We saw the rise of social media platforms, blogs, and wikis. It gave us the ability to create and share our own content, making the internet a participatory experience. But for all its advancements, Web 2.0 still has its limitations. It's not very intelligent. You have to manually search for information, and the results are based on algorithms that don't always understand the context of your search. It's also centralized, meaning a handful of big companies control most of the internet's content and data. That's where Web 3.0 comes in. It's being touted as the intelligent web. It promises a more personalized and contextualized user experience, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Imagine a web that understands you, that can deliver information tailored to your needs without you having to search for it. Moreover, Web 3.0 aims to decentralize the internet. Instead of a few big players owning all the data, Web 3.0 envisions a web where users have control over their own data. It's built on blockchain technology, which allows for secure peer-to-peer transactions, making the web more democratic. In short, if Web 2.0 was about interactivity, Web 3.0 will be about intelligence and personalization. It's not just about connecting us to information, but connecting that information to us in a meaningful way. Now that we've seen how Web 3.0 could enhance our online experience, what are some key points to remember? Web 3.0 has the potential to revolutionize our online experience. Let's unpack this statement by recapping the main features of Web 3.0 and how they play a role in this potential revolution. At the heart of Web 3.0 are the advanced technologies that make it possible. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one such technology, acting as the brain of the Web 3.0. It gives the internet the ability to understand, learn, and make decisions, making our interactions with it more intuitive and personalized. Imagine a web that anticipates your needs, learns your preferences, and delivers content tailored to your interests. That's the promise of AI in Web 3.0. Next, we have the Semantic Web, a web that understands context. It's like a well-organized library where everything is categorized and linked for easy access. You search for something, and the Semantic Web understands not only what you're looking for, but also the context behind it. This leads to more accurate and relevant search results. Then there's the incorporation of 3D graphics. This is not just about aesthetics or gaming, but about creating immersive experiences. With 3D graphics, Web 3.0 can provide virtual environments where you can interact with content in new and engaging ways. Think virtual shopping where you can walk through the store, or virtual classrooms where learning becomes a more interactive experience. And finally, connectivity. Web 3.0 is all about connecting data, devices, and people in a seamless and efficient way. It's about creating a web where everything is interconnected, leading to a more integrated and cohesive online experience. These are just a few of the many features that make Web 3.0 a potential game changer. It's about creating a smarter, more personalized internet that understands and caters to our needs. It's about making the internet not just a tool, but an intelligent partner in our digital lives. With Web 3.0, we're on the brink of a new era in the digital world. This new era holds immense possibilities and opportunities, and it's exciting to imagine where it will take us. Imagine an internet where your needs and preferences shape your experience. Let's dive into the world of tomorrow, a world where Web 3.0 reigns supreme. This is not just about faster browsing or better graphics. It's about a fundamental shift in how we interact with the digital realm. Take e-commerce, for example. Today, your browsing experience is largely dictated by algorithms, but with Web 3.0, your online shopping could become as personalized as a one-on-one session with a personal shopper. Your preferences, your style, your budget, all these factors could shape your browsing and shopping experience in real time. No more irrelevant ads or recommendations, just a seamless and enjoyable shopping journey tailored to you. Now let's consider education. The current online learning platforms do a decent job, but there's always a sense of disconnect. With Web 3.0, we could see a shift towards more interactive and personalized learning experiences. Imagine a virtual classroom that adapts to each student's learning style and pace. It could revolutionize the way we approach education, making it more accessible and effective. In the sphere of entertainment, Web 3.0 could transform passive viewers into active participants. Think of a streaming service that not only recommends shows based on your taste, but also adjusts the plot in real time based on your reactions. It's like being in the director's chair of your own movie. Beyond these sectors, Web 3.0 could influence everything from healthcare to finance, making services more intuitive and personalized. It's about creating an internet that works for you, that understands you, and alters its course to make your digital journey smoother and more enjoyable. As we envision this future, it's important to remember that it's not just about technology. It's about people. It's about breaking down barriers and creating a digital world that's inclusive, accessible, and user-centric. As we stand at the threshold of a new digital era, the possibilities with Web 3.0 are endless.